Hey everyone, welcome back to Financify. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe for the latest guides and tutorials on all things crypto and finance. In today's video, I'll be walking you through step by step on how to add money to your Bitget wallet using your PC. So let's get started. First, head over to the official Bitget website. Make sure you are visiting the correct URL, which is bitget.com. If you already have an account, click on the login button in the top right corner of the page. Enter your email and password and complete the two-factor authentication if you have it enabled. Once you are logged in, tap in the profile icon and hover over the Assets tab, and in the drop-down menu, click on Assets Overview. This will take you to your wallet where you can manage your funds. Now that you are in your Assets dashboard, click on the Deposit button. Here, you will need to select which currency you want to deposit into your Bitget wallet. Bitget supports a variety of cryptocurrencies, so if you are depositing crypto, choose from options like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT. For this example, I'm going to deposit USDT, so I'll select USDT from the list. Once you have selected your currency, you will see your wallet address displayed. This is the unique address where you will find your funds. You can either copy this address or scan the QR code if you are transferring from a mobile wallet. I'll go ahead and copy the address. Make sure you double check the address, as sending funds to the wrong address could result in permanent loss. Next, you will need to transfer the funds from your external wallet or exchange. For this, I'm going to transfer funds from my Binance account, so I'll log into Binance, go to my wallet and paste the Bitget address into the recipient field. After confirming all the details and the amount I want to send, I'll hit send or withdraw. Remember to check any withdrawal fees and ensure you are using the correct network for your transfer. For USDT, you might be using the TRC20 or ERC20 network depending on what Bitget supports. After sending the funds, you will need to wait for the transaction to be processed. This can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour depending on the network transactions. Once the transaction is confirmed, you will see your new balance reflected in your Bitget wallet under Assets. And that's it. You have successfully added money to your Bitget wallet. To recap, we logged into Bitget, navigated to Assets section, selected a currency to deposit, transferred funds from an external wallet, and verified the deposit in our Bitget account. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out. Stay tuned for more content on Financify, and as always, happy trading.